Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the limit of the function when s approaches to negative number 2 on the right. So on the right, that's about from here. And they will go from positive, go to here. We can see that we follow on the function. They will go close to negative number 2 and they will stop in here. The value of this location in here, that's about negative number 1. So that's about negative number 1. S approach to negative number 2 on the left. On the left, that's it in here. So they will go to follow on the right. When they go to negative number 2, they will stop in here. And you see that the value, that's about number 3. So that's equal to number 3. Now they want to find the limit of the function when s approaches to negative number 2. If we look carefully, the limit on the right is not equal to the limit on the left. So the value is different. So we can say this one is about does not exist because the limit on the left is not equal to the limit on the right. So that should be about D and E. This is the end. Thank you for watching.